editing 24/7. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to change length of your video in Canva. It's quite simple and all you have to do is follow along. So let's go to the uploads and choose a video. I want to change the length of this video. It's very simple. Simply tap into the video itself and go to this edit option, and you can simply go here, and you can also change the videos. Yes, you can change the page size in of